Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's gynecological topic is disorders of menstrual cycle. We divided our topic of menstrual cycle into 5 sections. In the first section, we will talk about dysmenorrhea. And in this dysmenorrhea, we will talk about what's primary dysmenorrhea, what's the association with the pain, and what are the causes of pain in the dysmenorrhea. Then in the second section, we will talk about primary dysmenorrhea and what are the clinical features, how we treat primary dysmenorrhea, and how we manage the primary dysmenorrhea. Then in the third section, we will talk about secondary dysmenorrhea, clinical features of secondary dysmenorrhea, ovarian dysmenorrhea also. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about what are the syndromes of menstrual cycle. And in this, we will talk about very common syndrome, which is the Mittelschmerz Syndrome. Then pelvic congestion syndrome. So these two syndromes we will talk about in the section 4. Then in the final and fifth section, we will talk about the premenstrual syndrome. What's the pathophysiology of premenstrual syndrome? What's the treatment of premenstrual syndrome? And how we can suppress the ovarian cycle. Suppression of ovarian cycle and its effects on the premenstrual syndrome. So all these topics will be covered in our today's lecture, Disorders of Menstrual Cycle. So to learn more about this, keep watching sqadia.com.